turned this Goodwill wedding dress into a haute couture bridal gown in 2 days. Yeah. Welcome to my channel. Hey divas, so glad to see you back. And if you're new, hey boo, my name is Kamoni, the fashion bestie you need. So, I was in Goodwill, right? The huge. And tell me why I see a wedding dress in there. Not only that, the red tags was half off that day. If that's not a green light that I should get it. And so what that I'm single? I'm not gonna let a man stop me from buying a wedding dress. But clock this, she's not really gagging the girls the way I want her to gag the girls. So that's the goal today. We are here to go ahead and make this basic gown gag worthy. So yes, Auntie Kamoni has all the fabrics, all the scraps, and even like leftover lace from a gown that I made like 5 years ago. So yeah, boo-boo, we recycle around here. So let me show you what we're working with. This is where I keep all of my designs, all of my business goodies. We're not gonna focus on these, okay? So we're gonna actually focus on these bins and suitcases. Look what I just found. Oh my God, I remember this. I remember I bought this originally for my birthday dress, but I ended up buying a different glitter fabric. Oh, this is nice, but I'll save that for when I make a pink wedding dress. Oh, y'all remember this fabric? This was the fabric that I used to make my purple Little Mermaid inspired dress. So here are the goodies I'm going to use. Isn't this beaded embellished lace gorgeous? I used it for this bridal client, and then I have plenty of this glitter tulle. I think I had almost about 20 yards, so we're definitely gonna give her some volume. And I have some beaded lace from this bridal client, and I also have this gorgeous pearl beaded lace from this bridal client. And we're all gonna work with this. This is the silhouette. This is what we're working with. I have faith that I'm gonna get this done in 2 days, because thankfully she's very simple, but the design is not. So we're not just slapping fabric onto a dress. Oh no, boo-boo. We're creating a whole couture fantasy. Definitely want to take advantage of that glitter tulle that I saw. Definitely want to add some more volume and drama to the dress. And considering I had a lot of beaded lace, hello, we gonna use that too. So I'm gonna go ahead and give the bodice more of like a nude illusion feel to the dress, There's this silhouette that I've been wanting to try for a minute. So obviously we're gonna make her like a small ball gown kind of thing going on, right? But I want the bodice to have to still be tight in the hip area, but not fully the hip area, if that makes any sense. And considering that I already pretty much have my base, I'm gonna go ahead and challenge myself. I'm gonna go ahead and get this done in 2 days. Yes, honey, 48 hours. And the countdown starts now. Oh my gosh, I really feel some type of way for taking this dress apart. Because it's not an ugly dress, actually. It's actually a really pretty dress. I just know I can make it better. Oh my God. Well, it's nice to know it was sewn very good. This isn't as easy as I thought it was gonna be. Oh my goodness, yeah, this was hand sewn very well. So I decided to cheat. Yeah, I was originally trying to take it out with a seam ripper. That would have took me forever. And considering I'm on a time crunch, I just started cutting this lace off. We're almost done. So considering that I just completely destroyed the inside part of the gown, it's gonna be fine because I'm gonna cover it in some nude illusion fabric. So you know how I just finished cutting off all of that lace? Yeah, I don't know if you could see it, but my pinky is blistered right here in the top and it's swollen. So I went and draped on the nude lining and pretty much made a pattern out of the actual fabric. So to all of my seamstresses out there, I know I'm not supposed to use this fabric as my first draft, but I did, and I'm glad I did because it actually turned out pretty good. So I pretty much just used the nude illusion fabric underneath as lining and put this gorgeous lace on top. And look, y'all, I really tried to record me sewing this skirt on, but it was so much fabric, like all up in the camera, you couldn't see nothing. But look how it turned out. Gorgeous. Okay, and we're not even done yet. Look at how cute it's turning out. Oh my God. This did take longer than I thought it would. It's okay, I'm almost done. And obviously you see new look, new day. I am officially on day 2. And it's about 5:30, so I still got some time. It's so pretty. Oh my God, this is gorgeous. You guys want to reveal on the mannequin? Dun, 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 dun. Wait, no. That's the wrong theme music. Sorry, hold on. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. Yeah. So it's gonna slay even harder when I put it on. Do you guys see the hand beading? Oh my goodness. Shout out to all the seamstresses because y'all are the real MVP, because sewing these on by hand is not for the weak, okay? But it turned out so beautiful. Oh my goodness. Definitely glam, definitely that girl.
See, first of all, I know these players, they won't tell you this, but I'ma be real, say what's on my...
Oh my gosh! This does not look like the same dress. Can you believe I turned this to this? In 2 days too. Clock that. How many girls you know can turn a $30 dress to $1,000 dress? This beading is absolutely immaculate. This isn't like some cheap beading, baby, okay? And I'm so glad I did this, like, you see that little dip there, the little zip? It gives shape to the ball gown look. The nude illusion is really what makes it look like a completely different dress. This glitter tulle, baby, oh my gosh, the ultimate princess bride. Comment down below if you will wear this on your wedding day. And make sure you're subscribed. Don't just watch me, be a part of the crew. Okay, this is actually gonna be hilarious to post on Instagram because I'm single as hell. Hopefully I don't scare any potential husband off with this video. And speaking of Instagram, make sure you follow my personal account and my business account. But I had so much fun. This was definitely better than I thought it was gonna be. But I love y'all, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.